This video shows how to write equations of lines parallel to a given line. This technique is essential for coordinate geometry exams and builds your understanding of slope relationships. You'll learn to identify slope from equations, apply the parallel line property, and construct new linear equations. To find a line parallel to y equals 3x plus 5, we need to match its slope. First, we identify the slope m equals 3 from the given equation. Then we keep that same slope and pick any different y-intercept. Let's work through it on the diagram. You're given the line y equals 3x plus 5. How do you find another line that runs perfectly parallel to it? Many students change the slope by accident or forget that only the y-intercept needs to differ. Let's clear that up. Question: find a line parallel to y equals 3x plus 5. Step 1. Recall that in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. The coefficient of x is the slope. Our given line is y equals 3x plus 5. Reading off the coefficient of x, the slope is m equals 3, and the y-intercept is b equals 5. Now, what does it mean for two lines to be parallel? Step 2. Parallel lines never intersect. They must have the exact same slope. So the new line must also have slope m equals 3. The new line has the form y equals 3x plus b. We just need b to be different from 5, otherwise it would be the same line. Let's pick a value for b and draw our parallel line. Step 3. Pick any y-intercept other than 5. Let's choose b equals 2. We pick b equals 2. So a parallel line is y equals dry x plus zweite. Both slopes are 3, so the lines are indeed parallel. Now you can find a line parallel to any given line, keep the same slope, change the y-intercept. Parallel means equal slopes, different intercepts. Simple and reliable.